Now we are going to interface ADC with 8051. The aim of this experiment is to interface analog to digital converter with 8051. For doing this experiment, we need an 8051 microcontroller and then a keyboard and then an ADC interfacing kit. Now I am going to type the opcodes. This is the program. Now for substituting the opcodes, SP, that is substitute program, space 4100. The first opcode is 90, and then in 4101 FF, and then in 4102 C8, and then the next opcode is 74, and then 10. Like this you have to enter up to the address 4112. Now I am going to execute this program. GO space starting address of this program 4100. Now it is executing. Now we are going to see how to enter the input values in this kit. The input for this experiment can be given by this potentiometer, that is variable potentiometer. This is the minimum position of this potentiometer. This one is the minimum position. This one is the maximum position. For seeing the output, you have to look at this LEDs. Now the program is executing. I am giving maximum analog value as the input. After giving this input, you have to press the switch one time. So I am giving maximum input value. So the output is, digital output is maximum. All the LEDs are glowing now. Now I am changing the input. I am changing the input to minimum value, that is 0. The analog value is 0. Once again I am pressing the switch. Now all the LEDs are in off position. So the analog data which we have given is converted into digital data. Now the experiment is over. Interfacing DAC, digital to analog converter, with 8051. The apparatus needed for doing this experiment are 8051 microcontroller, then DAC interfacing kit, and then a CRT. Now I am going to type the program. For substituting the opcodes, SP, substitute 4100. In this I am going to type the first opcode 90, then FF, then C0, then the next opcode. Up to 4109 you have to type all the opcodes. Then I am going to execute the program. Go starting address 4100, enter, executing. For seeing the output, we have to connect the positive pin of the CRO to the first pin of the DAC and then the ground pin to the last pin. Then the output will be the sawtooth waveform. The output is the sawtooth waveform, like this. Now we are going to interface stepper motor with 8051 microcontroller. For doing this experiment, we need 8051 microcontroller, then a keyboard, then stepper motor interface, and then a stepper motor. This is the program. For typing the opcodes in the 8051 microcontroller, we have to do SP, that is substitute program, space starting address of this program 4100. 4100. In this I have to type 90 opcode. 90. Then next. Next in the address 4102 4101 and then 00 and then 78 and then 04, like this you have to type up to this 4121 address location. And then to make the stepper motor to rotate in clockwise direction, you have to enter another opcodes in the address 4500. So I am entering reset SP space 4500. In this I am going to type 09 opcode and then 05 and then 06 and then 0A. Now I am going to execute this. 0 space 4100. It is executing. Now the stepper motor is rotating in clockwise direction. See how it is rotating. It is rotating in clockwise direction. Now to rotate the stepper motor in anti-clockwise direction, you have to change the lookup table opcodes. In the reverse direction, you have to enter this opcodes. To rotate the stepper motor in anti-clockwise direction, you have to enter the clockwise direction opcodes in the reverse direction. I am going to enter SP space 4500. The first opcode is 0A now and then 06. We are entering in reverse direction. 05 and then 09. Then enter. Now I am resetting and then executing. 0 space 4100. It is executing. Now the stepper motor is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. Now the experiment is over.